Now, why can't you take the car? Why can't you take the car back? If that car is a defective car and it's a substandard car, why can't you take the car back? Huh? I'm right here at Advantage Toyota, and they sold me a defective vehicle, substandard, and they can't return the vehicle from me. Why is that? Can anybody respond to that? You're the manager, right?
Sure. I'm not having a conversation with you.
All right. Aren't you dedicated to quality service?
Please leave my store.
Aren't you dedicated to quality service? Aren't you dedicated to quality service? What kind of quality service is this? Huh? This is the level of quality service that the world's gonna know about, because this is a pain already, man. I'm tired of this already. I'm tired of it. Well, give me my car and I'll leave. Give me my car. Give me my 2013 car. Why is it not an option? Why not? Huh? Exactly. I picked up the vehicle yesterday, and I shouldn't be going through these problems. Why is this car performing at a substandard rate?
They're checking it out for you, sir.
Oh, but they're checking it out, and then I got to come back a week later, and then I'm deeper into the car.
Let's find out first what it is.
Huh?
Let's find out first what it is.
I mean, just make it easy on yourself, bro. Make it easy on yourself, and just take the car back. Just take the car back.
Like I spoke to you like a gentleman before.
Right. I'm telling you as a gentleman as well. No, I am acting like a gentleman. I'm basically acting like a gentleman. I want this documented, because if you're selling substandard cars, I mean, and
service, we are servicing you. It's a vehicle. We're getting the service right there.
Well, the service is that you just give me back my money. Give me back the car. That's it. Give me back the car. How you doing, gentlemen? How you doing, Neil? How's it going, man? I purchased a vehicle yesterday over here, and basically the car's been defective. You know,
where you can turn the light off on that. I don't mind if you record, but the light is bright.
All right, well.
I don't care if you record, it's just the light is kind of.
Car here yesterday. I bought a car recently from them in 2013, and the car had an intermittent problem with the camera, right? So I had problem with the backup camera, right? And then when I would turn the car off, it would turn back on again. I even have it documented on this video. I can show you. I brought it in recently to get it serviced, and I was like, you know, and they said they couldn't replicate the issue. So I was like, you know what? Let me explore possibly trading it in. And I traded in the vehicle. And now this vehicle that they just gave me, the steering is stiff on the vehicle. The door, it just failed on me this morning. And plus, they gave me, yeah, I bought it just yesterday.
Is it new or used?
It's a brand new car. It's a brand new car. There's a piece on the paneling that is off of the car. That piece was in between the armrests. And then I pulled it out and I told them about it. So I don't know if they took these like from a display model, I don't know, but the car is clearly defective. I just told the guy about it over here. He's explaining to me that the car is supposed to be stiff because of the tires or something like that. I mean, I never heard of that if you get new tires, the steering is supposed to be stiff.
So what'd you call us today?
I'm sorry?
What'd you call us today? What happened?
I didn't call you. He called you.
Oh, okay.
He called you.
Okay.
He called you. I mean, because I want to document that he's telling me that he can't give me back the car.
Well, we can't document that. It's a civil matter. That's a matter for civil courts. Police Department enforces penal law.
Right.
This falls under the civil law.
Okay.
That's what they have civil courts for and things like that.
Right.
So that's where you'd have to go with that. To get any kind of judgment on that.
All right. Well, I mean, that's eventually we're gonna have to go because I mean, I just want.
We don't have the ability to, at a scene like this, examine evidence and things like that. We have like a few minutes at a call to, you know what I mean? That's why they have civil courts, because it kind of slows the process down. You know, there's no emergency. It's kind of one of those situations where you can submit evidence on both sides, and then the person who, like a judge, will make a decision based on what you guys submit.
Okay, I mean, I didn't want it to go to that level, but I mean, if I have to sue them because
people think that we're like an in between courts,
right?
But we're really not. Courts are the first step in a civil matter.
That's what I thought.
Right. That kind of law.
That's what I would think. I mean, I'm trying to be reasonable with Derek here. I'm telling him, listen, why don't you just give me back the car, and that's it. I mean, we call it. I only put it like about 10 miles on this car.
Right.
That's it.
Hey, listen, I'm not saying I disagree with you. I'm just saying that's what we don't do that part of the law, unfortunately.
Okay. I mean,
so right now they're servicing the car. They're going to look at it and see if there's any issues.
All right, yeah. I guess I'll just resolve it through the civil court. That's what has to happen.
Well, we were called because it was, you know,
because you were, I guess, apparently making a scene.
I wasn't making a scene. I just basically I recorded him and I asked him why can't he give me back the car, and then he got mad. He stood up over there. I don't know what he wanted to do. Like I have it on video over here where he stood up over there. He got mad and like pumped himself up. And then he walked back over here. I guess he calmed himself down, and then he told me to leave the store. I said, listen, you want me to leave the store? Give me the car. Just give me back my car. And then he sat down, and then I went over there, and I'm basically trying to call Toyota to see if they can help me resolve this issue. You know, I'm not trying to make
right now
a scene.
they're servicing the car, right? So you're waiting for the car to be done.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All
All right. Okay. Thank you very
All
much,
right, no
gentlemen.
problem.
Appreciate
Take
it.
care.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please click the like icon. And if you want to watch more videos of our family's quest to be as happy and productive as we can, please subscribe and click the bell notification. Out.